If you want the creamiest, smoothest mashed potatoes that melt in your mouth, this is the recipe for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Awira's Kitchen. And today I'll show you how to make perfectly creamy mashed potatoes using simple ingredients. Let's get into it. Add the potatoes in a pan, pour in some cold water and add some salt. Bring them to a boil and cover for 8 minutes. Add the boiled potatoes in a dish. Add milk and butter gradually while mashing. Pro tip: don't overmix so as not to get gummy potatoes. And there you have it. Smooth, creamy, and absolutely delicious mashed potatoes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Awira's Kitchen for more simple and tasty recipes.